You'll be seeing double smiles when you give them this custom stenciled frame mirror project from Oak Lane Studio. Place your custom stencil from Oak Lane Studio so that the top line is positioned over the top of the frame. Affix with frog tape painter's tape. Pour out some Americana acrylic paint onto a paper plate and coat the paintbrush thoroughly. The brush should be barely wet. To avoid stencil bleeding, remove excess paint by swirling the brush on a stack of paper towels. Apply the color in light coats using the same swirling motion through the stencil. Wait a minute or two between coats. Continue until you've applied 5 to 10 light coats and the color is full and even. Once you finish with the top line, remove the stencil and give it a minute or two to dry. Reposition the bottom line so that it's centered on the lower frame. Repeat the painting process from the top line. Once you've finished, remove the stencil to reveal your custom stenciled frame mirror. For more tips and ideas, visit oaklanestudio.com today.